Hello everyone, welcome to Electrofun. We are back with another unboxing which looks similar to our previous unboxing in terms of packaging, but this is not a flagship phone. So let's get started. Poco has done something interesting after 2018 and have launched two phones this year, which one of them is Poco M2 Pro, which is the latest one in 15,000 of price segment. So now heading back to the unboxing, the device looks similar as that of the standard Poco packaging, which has few details at the back over here and which mentions. Now let's start with the unboxing. So cutting through the box and opening our box, so we have some injector tool, some documents and user manuals, and we have a transparent case over here. Now coming with the further, so here we have a phone which is green colored 6GB 64GB variant. So we'll keep this aside for a while. We have a type C USB cable and adapter, power adapter, which supports up to 33 watts of fast charging. And so here we are done. So now getting back to the phone, we have got 6GB 64GB green and greener variant, and the phone looks quite great. The first look at Redmi Note 9 Pro, Poco M2 Pro. The device is almost as same as Redmi Note 9 Pro, the Max variant or the Max variant. So now continuing with our unboxing. So we have at the front 6.67 inch of full HD display, LCD display. Now this device has a refresh rate of 60 Hz and the resolution of this device is 10802 2400 pixels, resulting in 20 raised to 9 of aspect ratio. Now at the display in middle we have a punch hole type display with a 16 megapixel of selfie camera. Now just booting up the device. So getting the overview of the device over here is until it boots up. So at the size we have at the right side we have a power button with a fingerprint scanner, the volume buttons over here. Coming to the left we have the SIM ejector tool with a dedicated memory card slot. So at the top we have the secondary microphone flanked at either sides. Over here we have the charging slot, the 3.5mm jack, the primary microphone and the speaker grills. So turning at the back of the phone, we'll just complete this setup meanwhile. Keeping everything for a while. So turning back at the device, we have a quad camera setup which consists of 48 megapixel of primary camera along with 8 megapixels of ultra wide and 5 megapixels of macro and 2 megapixels of depth. The whole device is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5. It also has 3D protection, which means the front and the back is protected along with the camera bump, which is quite noticeable. Now the device is booted up, so I'll just skip everything. and keeping it the classic. The setup is complete, so it looks good to go. The device has a heart and it is powered by the latest Snapdragon chipset, which is 720G, with a maximum clock frequency of 2.3 gigahertz, along with the GPU Adreno 618. The software over here is MI own custom UI along with Android 10, and this UI is ad free UI. So the battery of this phone is 5020 mAh battery along with the 33 watt of charger in the box. We'll wait for it to complete the setup. So the device looks quite great, as you can see over here. Then okay, so the device is good in the 15,000 of segment, and it has a decent battery which can work and last for a day and even more. So it looks good in performance, and so if you are looking for a low budget phone, Redmi Note 9 Pro Max, then so either Redmi Note 9 Pro Max or Redmi Note 9 Pro. So this device is suitable to be used in this low budget range, and it gives a quite great performance, which, and the best feature about it over here is it is protected at the front and back. So this is all about the unboxing of Poco M2 Pro. We'll come up and try to come up with a review video of this phone once we start using this phone. So till then, you can like our video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. So thank you.